Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a reboot on your Google Chromecast device 3.0. So in order to do that, you will need to get the Google Home app installed on your any phone, and you'll need to get the device connected. Now select device you want to reboot, click on this cog icon right here. And from now, just press on these three little dots in the top right corner of the screen and select reboot. OK. And the device should start rebooting. So as you can see, the device is running again. I can just show you how I cast my screen from the phone. It works fine. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.